And welcome to today's video. This is another basic phonics lesson, and today we're going to be looking at the sounds that are made by the letter combinations of AI and AY. Well, first, let's review the OR sounds that we covered in the last lesson. So go ahead and try um, sounding these out and then listen to check.
R, or, er, er, er.
All right, now listen and write down the sounds that you hear and then restart the video or um, I'll continue the video or play it a second time and fill in the correct answers.
Or, er, er, R, or, er.
Now the sounds can be any of these three, so it really doesn't matter which order you put those in because they are all the same, even though they're spelled differently and it's impossible to tell without actually seeing the word. So
Or, er, er, R, or, er.
all right, now practice sounding out these words and then reading the word. And then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
R, far, k, or, n, corn, b, or, before, o, e, t, er, letter, g, er, o, girl, er, d, third,
All right, now we're going to look at the AI sound. So listen and repeat.
a, 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 train,
Now practice sounding out these AI words. And then when you're ready, listen and check.
t, er, a, n, train, p, a, n, t, paint, m, a, n, main, p, o, a, n, plane,
Now we're going to look at the AY sound. So again, listen and repeat.
a, 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 day,
Now practice sounding out these AY words, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
s, a, say, m, a, May. A. Way. D. A. Day.
All right, now practice these AI and AY words, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
A. N. Rain. G. A. Gray. O. A. Play. S. N. D. A. Sunday. A. N. T. Paint. O. A. N. Plain. W. A. T. Wait. W. A. Away. M. A. May. O. A. Lay. T. A. Tray. T. A. N. Train.
All right, now listen and write the words that you hear, and then I will play the video a second time, the audio a second time, and fill in the correct answers so that you can check.
Rain. Gray. Wait. Away. May. Paint. Rain. Gray. Wait. Away. May. Paint.
Right, and now we have some sight words to review.
Again. Today.
All right, now practice reading the sentences and then restart the video to listen and check.
The rain is gray. Lay the tray on the table. Paint the plain wall. Wait for the train. It is a gray Sunday. May plays at the park. It starts to rain, so May goes home and paints. She waits for the rain to stop so she can play at the park again today.
Alright, now read the entire story and restart the video when you're ready to listen.
It is a gray Sunday. May plays at the park. It starts to rain, so May goes home and paints. She waits for the rain to stop so she can play at the park again today.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.